Do it. Noise. Do it. Noise. Do it. Noise. Do it. Noise. Suppression, y'all. Noise suppression is a lifesaver. Use that. If this video
What is going on, traders? Today is the 18th of January, 22nd, and today we will be live streaming. We will be live trading my streams today, my trades today. We're trading with a $500 account, so you know that's a small account. So right now we are trading with a small account. The market opens up in about probably like 18 minutes. I want to say 19 minutes or so. So we still got time, but we're gonna discuss some stocks that we're gonna go over today that we're gonna be looking for. Some stocks that drop news. We're gonna keep an eye out to see what's running up next, and hopefully we can make a trade with this small account challenge real quick. So far, I made on the small account $42. I started with 500 flat. Had so far built it up to 542. I got a logbook right here too, so we're keeping track of our trades, see what's going on for the small account. So far, my highest trade I've made has been $8.28. So it's been a slow grind, but you know, it's been a steady one. That's what I want to say. It's been slow, but it's been steady, you feel me? So that's good to you know, always have that steady, always have that you know, that win rate up there, even though the wins are small, you know, it's added up $42 so far. We're to that halfway mark of 600. Once we get the account up to 1,000, it's done. You know, we're going up. Ain't no way, folks. We going up. It only makes sense for us to go up. Goddamn. But we are right now currently waiting for the market to open up. Like I said, we can't go over some of the stocks that I've seen drop some news. So we got BBI, which it says H.C. Wainwright and Co. initiates coverage on Bristol Biotech with buy rating, announces price target of $2. So this is BBI right here, currently trading at 27 cents. Up 31% on the day. It's the highest so far traded today in the pre-market. I'm not really seeing nothing too crazy right now. It is on the downtrend. It did break that downtrend, but for me to get interested, for real, I have to get back above that VWAP. And that's for, you can see buyers come in as well. We got SRGA next. That has dropped some news that I've seen. SRGA's Sugar line receives FDA clearance for Holo Portal system, the world's first AI-driven AR guidance system for spine surgery, and reports preliminary fourth quarters and full year 2021 results. So they dropped that news right here. Currently trading at $1.06. Not a lot of volume going through it, you know, so I'm not really, you know, too excited about that one. And then the last one I found was SXTC, currently trading at 25 cents. China SXT Pharmaceuticals Inc. prices $3.5 million underwritten public offering of ordinary shares and pre-funded warrants to purchase ordinary shares. So this is actually ended up getting an offering, so it actually sold off. So that's why it's so low right now. But yeah, like I said, right now I don't know why my hair's sticking up, but those are the stocks that I found drop news today in my scanners. This is everything that they showed me, so you know there's more, but this is all that's really moving so far. So this is what it's showing me. It might look like it might be a slow Tuesday. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully we can get a trade in. We do got all 3-day trades. If you look right here in this corner, we do got all 3-day trades. That's what my account is sitting at currently. So we're just waiting right now to see for that market to open up and we can see what we can go on today, you know. Just patiently waiting and stuff like that. Ain't nothing. It ain't a big deal, you know. I'm just trying to make a little bit of bread. Give me like $10, folks. You know what I'm saying? Give me $10. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to that 50. Let's get to that halfway mark of 600. That's what I want to see. That is what I want to see. Look what happened yesterday, bro. Look at this, bro. I fell so hard, bro. Busted myself. Fell hard as hell, bro. Thing was crazy, but I never felt that hard. I haven't felt hard like that in a long ass time. Boy, I felt like, boy, I was playing football, boy. Running that ball and someone just, damn, bro, full speed. Stop me. Thing was crazy. That thing hurt. I had my hoodie on, too. It would be way worse than this, but I had my hoodie on, so, you know, the cloth was protecting my arm and stuff. But we are still waiting. Currently, it is 9:15. We got 15 more minutes until market opens up. We can check out some other stocks real quick, see what's really popping. We got BBIG. Okay, BBIG looks like they're getting a little bit of movement. I don't believe they dropped any news, but we could search again. You could go on this free website, newsfilter.io, and they'll let you look up different stocks that may have dropped some news. And yeah, ain't nothing right there. So BBIG hasn't dropped no news, but it is just trading so far. It's not looking bad though. You know, as far as the volume, it's really the only one moving right now. Versus BBI, you know, it was on its downtrend, but now it's just really. And I drew it this way at first. I wonder if I would have just kept it that way. But we are just waiting right now, man. Trying to see what's going to pop. That's what we're trying to see. What is going to pop? And I don't know why this is here. How do you get rid of that? How do you get rid of this? What is this? Why did this pop up? Trying to see what's the day gonna bring to us. Waiting to see what can be traded. We got 13 more minutes until the market opens up. We got 3 stocks I found that dropped some news. Not a lot of volume going through any of these right now, but we are gonna see if market opens can bring some push. The highest so far in this pre-market is up 31%. So far, I'm not seeing nothing I'm too interested in trading right now because it is nothing that's really moving. And you know, we really need some volume to get things to really make some profit. So hopefully we can get something to hopefully we find something that's really starting to get some movement, because right now it's looking kind of boring. It's looking a little boring, folk. I ain't gonna crap to you, but goddamn, we gonna figure it out for sure. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna see what the day brings. You know, we still got all the way to hopefully we got to like 11, 12 o'clock to trade before I have to do some other things. So hopefully we're able to set in a trade at least, you know. So we just gotta be patient though, wait our turn, see what happens. You can't wait too long, because if you're not first, you're last. And we know what happens when you last, you know what I'm saying? We ain't trying to be last. Nah, you can't be last. So we're just gonna be waiting, chilling, seeing what the day brings to us. Let's see, what was I trying to do? Bro, my arm hurts from falling, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. What the hell at that thing? Gotta make sure my arm's the same length. That hurt, bro. Hurt my arm, bro. I hurt my arm, bro. Yeah, that hurts, bro. But yeah, we are just waiting right now, seeing what the day can bring to us. We got about 10 minutes until the market opens back up, so hopefully something pops up. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get these trades, and I got 3-day trades. I'm ready to trade, you feel me? I'm just, give me the word. That's all I'm waiting for. Just give me the word. Give me the word, and we gonna hit that trade. I'm me see right now. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Because my arm is actually in pain right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. My arm is actually in pain right now. Like, it's actually hurting right now. Like, no cap. My arm hurt, bruh. Bruh, this hoodie at the way. That's probably why, bruh. Now let's see. I didn't even notice the hoodie back there. I forgot all about that, bruh. Waiting for this market to open up. What we can do so far, though, is we can refresh this, make sure there's nothing else popping up before market opens, so we can take a look at it real quick. Man, still not seeing nothing. Yo, I fell so hard yesterday, bro. When I tell you I fell, bro, I'm talking about, bro, I'm running. It's like you're running and then you just run into a wall or something, bro. I'm running, bro. Running fast. I'm not even gonna tell the whole story for real, but I'm running. And holding on to something. Right? There's only a certain length that it could go. So it can only stretch so far. Running. Have it in my arm. It's already at that length. But it's already too late, but I already know I'm about to get torn up right now, but I'm already know I'm about to fall and everything. I scream like I say a name or whatever. Boom. But I'm talking about body was in the air like this. This how I fell. Sideways. Legs sideways, bro. Like this. Hit that floor, bro. Arm like this. Pull that bit. Landed so hard, bro. Didn't land on my face, but it landed. My leg right here is sore. Arm right here cut up. But that thing was night too. And I think there was one lady out there, bro. I hope she ain't see me fall, bro. I don't know where she saw me fall, but I hope she ain't see me fall, bro. Cause I fell hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I fell too hard. Way too hard. No cap. My arm hurt, bro. I don't know why that happened to me. I just don't know why. Let me see if I can fix my webcam now since I did that. Maybe that was just the reason. I knew that was the reason. Look at my eyebrow right here. But I knew that was the reason, bro. The hoodie. Once I seen that hoodie in the back, easy. That's why it's not working. Now it looks better. Okay, cool. Cool. We got approximately about 5 minutes until the market opens up. Currently 9:25. So let's see what today brings us, man. Let's see what today brings us. Cause all I know is, goddamn, we gotta make something. You know, so we at least goddamn $5. Quick little small little trades, bro. That's all we need. Quick small little trades. Nothing too crazy, you feel me? Nothing too crazy, just a quick small little cool little trade. Make a little bit of cash, you know what I'm saying? Cool little 15-day, maybe, you know, maybe we might double. Maybe we get in some of that doubles, you know, who knows? tore my whole arm up, bro. Tore that thing up, bro. Bust the hell out of myself, bro. That day was not fun. Wait and see what small trades I can make with this. About almost a minute left. 9:28. Market's about to open up real soon. We got my. I might open up later. What the hell going on with my what the hell going on with my mouth, bud? Man. I honestly need to get lined up again. Cause look at this. It's starting to stick back up. This gotta go right there. Get that nice little fade going. Cut this all off. We're gonna be clean again. We're gonna be fresh as hell. We're gonna have that drip on too. No cap. It's currently 9:29 in the market. We do got a minute left until market opens back up. So we are going to be waiting to see what's coming today. We got about 10 seconds left. So let's get into this day, man. Let's get into this market, man. That's all I can say. That's all there is to say. Let's see what we can find to trade. Let's see what pops off, you know. Let's see what really happens. So maybe if we can get this, because we do got resistance around 28.92. It's currently breaking through. We might go for a small trade right now. This is currently BBI. Trying to see if we can get back above that VWAP and stay above that VWAP. We might look for a trade. We might get a market order in too. I'm not gonna lie. We do gotta get above that VWAP, and we gotta get above this. This is the 50, right? Yep. Get above that 50 SMA. Currently trying to get it back above that VWAP right now. It is testing it right now. We are currently we are cracking it right now, but we haven't got above it quite yet. We're just cracking it. We need to get above and hold above that VWAP to really see some action. And we are starting to fade off. There is a small little sell-off right now. Not a fade off. I apologize. There is a small little sell-off that we are seeing. 1 second. Ooh, and we are seeing a big sell-off right now. Currently dropping real low, actually. And I might actually maybe possibly go for a trade around these areas. I'm not gonna lie. What was the news they dropped? Oh, announces a price target. That's not really something that makes me want to buy. I'm not gonna lie. Quick little pop back up. That would be nice. A nice long lower shadow. Waiting for my new scanners to update. We probably gotta wait a couple more minutes. But currently, right now, we are seeing BBI having some volume go through right now. Currently trading it back around 27 cents. Couldn't get back above that VWAP and hold it. But we had a lot of resistance going on right now. We had to break that down. We had to get above that VWAP and we had to break above that 50 SMA. So, you know, a lot of I can see a bounce coming around these areas, even though it's already coming down. I'm not lying, like maybe a quick small trade. But it already bounced over there once, you know. That's the second bounce already you got. Second bounce. Let's see if our scanners is updated. And there we go. We are seeing what's going on now. We are seeing that so far the highest traded stock is up 31%, which is $88. That's a little out of my price range. So I'm not going to trade that because I already make nothing, but I'll really make nothing. You know, I'll be going off of the cents. We do need to see BBI get back above that VWAP to really see buyers back interested in this play. Right now we're just really testing the waters. That's what all I'm seeing. So we will see if maybe there's something else that we could trade real quick. See what else is going on in the market. See what this is talking about. NURO. And here we go. We can go check out NURL. They did drop some news. Neurometrics receives FDA breakthrough device designation for treatment of chronic chemotherapy-induced peripheral neuropathy with this wearable neurostimulation technology. You know what I'm saying? We know how to read too, folks. Goddamn. Chill. You feel me? But that's not bad. That actually sounded really good. You would think. Oh, and it actually got halted. We did get halted on the upside. To check out what stocks get halted, you could go to www.nasdaqtrader.com. You had 5 minutes to every halt. So this got halted at 9:34:20. So you had 35 minutes to the 9:34, which would be like 9:39:20. So that's when we will get on halted at 9:39:20. Currently, what I am seeing though, we are getting a small, nice uptrend going. I'm gonna look for a bounce possibly at the. I want to say at the VWAP. I want to get a bouncing at the VWAP. I am looking to trade this one. I'm not going to lie. It's not looking too bad. We are coming up to 200-day moving average resistance. 200-day SMA. So we got to be careful about that. BBI is trying to looks like it is trying to get back up there. I mean, still trade around the same price. You know, what we are going to do is we're going to switch this up here. We're going to put that down there right now because I'm a little more interested in a neuro play, maybe around that's that 626. So I can either get in at the 200-day SMA, 50 SMA, or the VWAP. I'm going to try the VWAP. I'm going to go for as low as I possibly can. I'm gonna meet at the VWAP. Hopefully we can get filled. I'm gonna go 1 cent above the VWAP. That is what I'm looking for. So we are gonna see if we can get in for a possible trade. BBI is currently trading back above that VWAP area. Still looking to get it back above that VWAP area. Once we get above that VWAP area, we also got resistance at the 50 SMA. So we gotta watch out for that too. We gotta make sure we can get back above those and stay above them and hold if we want to keep seeing a push to the upside before traders start getting bored. And so we gotta see if we can get all the way back up there and hold this we need to create new support. Create some new support so we could be able to hold it. But it looks like we might have a trade on our hands. I ain't gonna lie. It looks like we might have something we could trade. Let me just actually switch this because in case we get filled and we need to sell, you gotta be able to get up out of there. But BBI looks like it wants to get back above that VWAP, man. We're trying to get back above that VWAP. We gotta hold. We cracked it twice so far, but we need to hold it. We haven't got above it just yet. We just been cracking it. So we gotta see if we can get it back above that and hold above that. It is currently 9:37. That means we got 2 more minutes. I wish there was a clock. I don't know why they don't have the seconds there, and I don't know how to add it, but it is. It's 9:37, so we do got 2 minutes until this market opens back up. Looking for right now what I'm trying to do is a halt strategy. So basically, once the stock gets halted all the way up, we look for a lower area to get filled quick, stock bounces back up. That's what I'm hoping to see happen right now. So, and they look like they dropped actually pretty decent news. If we could go back to look at that real quick. And again, you can look at free news at the website newswith.io, but this is the news they drop right here. Neurometrics receives FDA breakthrough device designation for treatment of chronic chemotherapy to induce peripheral neuropathy with its wearable neurostimulation technology. So that is the news that they dropped. That is the news that they dropped. And look at that big bid order getting filled. Just got pushed out the way. We need to see buyers start to stack right here. We need to see buyers stack, and we need to see them be able to hold. But right now they're buying pretty good amount of shares: 11,000, 20,200, 11,000, 1,400, 5,900, 100, 15,200. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna see what happens though, and we should be getting unhalted any second now. Looking to hopefully get filled for a quick bounce up. But we should be getting unhalted any second now. Are they going for a 10-minute halt? Is that what's going on? Are they going for a 10-minute halt already? Wow, they going for a 10-minute halt, I think. Because, yeah, we should have been unhalted now. It looks like they might be going for a 10-minute halt. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about that, if I'm going to keep my orders in. I'm not too certain. I'm going to see I want to see what people are saying, so I am going to look at StockTwits. But always remember, if you ever look at websites like this, take everything what people say with a grain of salt. They're just always going to want you to, listen to them. I am looking for that halt strategy, though. Halt strategy, don't halt it to make it get filled. Look for a bounce back up. Hopefully we can make some cash, man. Make some money. That's all we want. Just a little bit, just a little something, We don't trade it with 500. We ain't gonna make too much, but just a little something, So that means we won't get unhalted until 9:47. I mean 9:40. 44.20. So we got 3 minutes until we get unhalted. Market's been open for about close to 50. Once this opens up for 15 minutes, no, we don't have to trade right away. You ain't got to be the first person to trade in the stock market because nobody cares. So let's just take our time, be patient, see what we want to do. We don't got to jump in right away, and that's why we did place orders low, So we get filled low. You don't want to get filled at the top. I don't want to get filled up right here. My prediction, though, what's going to happen is I hopefully can see this open back up, drop down to the view up, hold the view up, bounce back up around these areas would be nice. And see, maybe we can see if it's going to keep moving, or if that time comes, evaluate, see if we're going to sell, if we're going to keep it, to see if it may possibly keep running up. But we are just waiting right now. Just waiting, trying to see what this is going to do when it opens up. And BBI looks like it couldn't hold. It couldn't get above that VWAP. It keeps on getting rejected at the VWAP. Things like it happens. It happens. Looking to get unhalted in 2 minutes. 2 minutes until we get unhalted. Excited, man. I'm excited to get back in here. Maybe hopefully we can make a trade today. Hopefully we can make a trade today. We did get our order sent through, so it's right here. Buying about 80 shares, that's all I can afford. With a minute left. I wish I had a clock, bro. I need to see the seconds. We got about a minute left so far until the stock should be unhalted. Hopefully they 10-minute halts get traders scared, I'm not gonna lie. A 10-minute halt? Yeah, that's scary to traders. So hopefully this doesn't ruin me. Okay, we should be getting on to any second now. We are at that 44 mark. It's 9:44. And ooh, look at that. With a gap up. Instantly had a gap up. And it looks like I drew old resistance here before. Looks like that old resistance is also holding up. Let's see that we can see it. But it looks like it got that gap up. It didn't do what I wanted it to do. So I think I might cancel my order. I'm gonna cancel my order here because I didn't get that gap down to where it made me wanna buy. But let's see, maybe we could get filled somewhere. And it was that 200 SMA really holding that at 720. Nice little gap up though, I'm not gonna lie. That was a nice little gap up. All the way to almost 750. Not bad. So it looks like we didn't get filled like we wanted to right there, which is fine. We're gonna just look for another entry. Currently though, this stock is up 44%. I don't know where I should get filled at, honestly. I'm gonna see. I still want to get filled around the VWAP area. So I'm gonna say like, let's try to get filled around 650 for a possible bounce. See if we can get filled real quick. for a possible bounce around 650. And it looks like BBI is actually getting above that VWAP, which is good to see. We need to hold that VWAP area. We do got Neuro trading back below $7 right now, looking to get filled around that 650 mark. Move this out the way because I need that out. Trying to get filled around that 650 mark. Trying to get filled at that VWAP area. Look at BBI about to hit 30 cents. But I like how we did come up to this area right here. We got rejected. I must have do that. When did I draw this? Look, 720. I drew that 6 months ago and it still held up. Just looking for that bounce though. That's all we're looking for, a bounce play. I did not like that little freeze right there. That was not cool. I ain't gonna lie. We're just looking to get filled. So far, the lowest it's came back down to is 673. I can't imagine a possible bounce around these areas. I'm hoping that I can get filled first. I can't see a possible bounce around these areas. But hopefully I can get filled. We do got my order set. Just waiting for that stock to come back down. Currently trading at 690. We got BBI currently trading at 29.5. Just looking to get filled right now. Waiting to see what's gonna happen in today's market. Today is Tuesday. So we're looking for just to get filled right now. We're just patiently waiting. BBI trading at 30 cents, which is nice to see. Currently trading at 30 cents. We do have some resistance around. I want to say around these areas right here. There's going to be some resistance. 31 cents. See if we can hold that though. Neuro coming back down, waiting for that bounce still. I don't know if I should raise my. I'm gonna keep my entry at 650. Hopefully get a possible bounce. Trying to hold that 670 area. Just got broke back down. Coming down towards the VWAP. We got the 50 SMA at 60, 200 SMA at 720, which is a reason why we also got rejected and weren't able to hold. Give me 1 second. Looking to get filled. That's all we're waiting for, is just to get filled. I don't know why they're playing with us. Like, just fill me right quick. I'm trying to go with y'all. You feel? I'm trying to go to that moon too. Currently trading back around 680. BBI did come back down below 30 cents. It has so far been about 30 minutes in the market. A little under 30. Just looking to get filled. Looking to see what's the best point of entry. Excuse me. Have yet to get filled off of any bounce. You could say it's starting to form a small, possible small downtrend. Might be a little too early to still see, but it honestly looks like it's trying to U-shape. I'm not gonna lie. I might get in around these areas. I'm seeing a U-shape start to form. Just waiting to get filled still. Got my order still out. I am seeing a possible U-shaped pattern. So basically what's gonna happen is it's gonna do this. Just form a U. And shoot back up. I am seeing that possibility of that's what it's doing right now, but we will see. Hopefully I do get filled. Hopefully we do get filled. We got the order. So I'm gonna cancel my order right now because we haven't got that bounce. And maybe do another order around I don't know, I'm seeing a U-shape pattern. Clear as day. I don't know if I should just get filled now and hold, or if I should just be patient and try to get filled at a lower area. BBI is currently trading back above 30 cents. Trying to get above that resistance right there. I can zoom in real quick. The Neuro back trading around the 670 area. Looking for our first trade of the day. Still haven't traded nothing. Currently trading back above. It was just touched $7. Trying to see if I want to get how I want to get filled. Oh yeah. Huge sell-off right there. Just got rejected. Ooh, should I market order in around these areas, or should I go lower around the trend line, bruh? I'm trying to get filled around that trend line area, I think. I do think it's gonna get below that VWAP. Trying to hold it right now, but I do think there's a possibility we can see a drop below that VWAP. VWAP is holding right now, though. I did not draw this like this, did I? Looking for that bounce around the 640 area. And BBI is actually looking like it's starting to... Ooh, it's starting to pop. BBI is starting to pop. We are going to be looking at BBI real quick. Going to cancel these. I don't know if I should cancel these over there. See what we do. BBI is looking real good right now. Trying to look for maybe a possible entry around BBI. Maybe at 31 cents. Maybe if BBI can come back around this 31 cent area, I could possibly get a feel for a bounce play. Because right now all the attention is gonna go to BBI for being up so long, for running like that, for breaking its resistance. So maybe a possible entry around BBI. I'm thinking 3103, honestly. I'm gonna cancel my Neuro position. We're gonna set an order for BBI. Or maybe 28.97. Ooh. Gonna switch them. Waiting to see if we can get filled on the BBI position. Currently trading back above 30 cents. Looking for that bounce around 31 cents. And we are seeing Neuro break that we did just see Neuro go back below the fallback. I just seen Neuro NURL trade below 660, so must have got a little drop right there. Let's see what's the low it went to. It did get a nice little bounce. 656. We're looking for that BBI entry now. Looking for that entry. Where is the... Yes, okay. Seeing if we can get filled. Huge buy orders right there getting hit. Might be getting close to getting filled soon. We are seeing Euro trade back around 650 right now, cracking. It's currently touching that trend line that I drew. I might cancel this order because we might see a nice, we could possibly see a nice bounce play off of that trend line. We're just not seeing us want it right now on URL. I'm keeping it in 100. Yeah, this trend line is looking a little crazy. I don't know if it's going to be able to hold anymore. Looks like we might get a crack below the trend line. Let's see. Might get this crack right here. We are seeing the bids take out the, the asks take out the bids. Is right on this trend line. We need this trend line to hold, or we could see a switch from the bullish side to the bear side. I have no orders currently going through. We can go back to BBI. We are seeing some tough resistance around this area right here. We are seeing Euro trying to hold. I am interested in a BBI trade. I just would like to get filled around that 0.3103 area. And we could see a possible break of top resistance. And we are cracking new resistance. And we are seeing Euro trade a little below, cracking that that trend line, trying to hold above that trend line. We are seeing a nice push. So I might look for a new area to get filled at because I'm not trying to not get filled. And we're seeing BBI shoot off right now. Looking for a new order around BBI. May possibly get filled. Huge buy order again. Took out. Think I'm gonna cancel my order. And I should be. Oh, and I am filled. I was just about to cancel, but I did get filled. Might have to look for a sell. Okay, we are seeing a pushback to the upside. We are seeing a pushback to the upside. Currently up $14. I'm gonna take that 13. What was that? That wasn't 13. What did I make off of that? I was trying to take that 13 right there. Let's see. 4. It went away too fast. I was trying to get that 13. Might look for another entry. We're gonna write this down on our trade. I was looking for that 13. It's okay. So we are gonna write that down in our book. BBI, our first trade was, let's see. I might look for another trade though. I'm not gonna lie, the 13. I almost had 13. What is it? We bought it at 33.01. And we sold at, we're gonna just put the latest one, 3331. And we made $4.46. First trade of the day, $4.46. And look at Neuro with that beautiful bounce off that uptrend. But I don't think it's gonna hold much longer. If I'm keeping it 100 with you guys, I don't see it holding much longer. I see it's looking a little fishy. It looks like it's gonna crack that uptrend real soon. Might look for a bounce around the lower area because I do see this coming back down, possibly around. Possibly that 3103 area. We did take our first trade, $4. I was trying to get that 13. That's why I sold. I was trying to get that 13. I seen it. I wanted to break the new record of how much the most we made. And it is currently 10 o'clock. We do got a big sellers. When I get filled on a play, my main focus is the level 2 now. I'm looking at the level 2. I'm not even looking at the charts. I might peep it, look at it real quick, a glance. But when I get filled on the order, I'm strictly level 2, seeing what's going on because it's telling you all right here. Bids, buyers, ask, sellers, how many shares are buying, how many shares are selling, right? If we want to get back above, well, we got top resistance around. We got top resistance around. I want to get it accurate, so 35.49, top resistance around there. We are seeing it starting to come back down, which a stock does, so that's not really an issue, We can go back to it. Yeah, I think this is going to get a crack down. I'm sorry, I don't think this is going to, maybe a bounce around the 50 SMA 626, but I am seeing this, yeah. I'm not seeing this hold anymore. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, it was close with that 13. We were real close. Waiting to get filled on the second play. Trying to see if we can build this account back up, get it above the 650 area. The reason why I was gonna sell earlier, because when I said I might sell and take that loss, was because I wanted to see a quick drop and a bounce back up. It was just going down and cracked the support level, but we will see if we could get filled again. And who knows, maybe this time we might really go to the moon, folks. Who knows? Trying to get filled on my second order right now. Currently trading back around 32 cents, 32.4 cents. Seeing if I could get filled. NUR did break that uptrend and fell below the VWAP. So we do gotta see. Everyone's attention right now is on BBI. Right? Everyone wants to trade BBI right now. That's what it is. Everybody wants to trade BBI. Everybody wants to see what it's really talking about. We do got this, but this is right here. Just ain't no way. Look, we might be getting filled soon. Might look for that fill. And I am filled. I don't know what I made right there. I'm trying to see. I made like another extra $1. Oops, wrong one. Oh, I made another like $3 right there. Okay, another cool little trade. We are gonna do the math for that real quick. So let's see. He traded that. First time we made 446. I need that perfect bounce. I want that perfect bounce. This might have been it, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. But it's too late to say that. It doesn't matter anymore because we're already out. I gotta look at the open. Okay, that's what I was tweaking. I was messing up right now. What was real messing me up was because I was looking at PO day. That's what I make throughout the trade, though. If I trade it again, it adds on to that. I should have been looking at the PO open to see how much I'm making on my new order. That's what was also messing me up because I'm like, I don't know how much I'm making. But now, I remember now. So we will write that down real quick. Another trade around. Point. Ooh, that was a beautiful bounce. Beautiful bounce. 103. And we sold at look at that bounce. Look at that bounce play we would have got. Let's do this. We made $8. Oops. We made $8 the whole day. So we gotta do minus what? 446. We made $354 on that trade. Okay. We do got one more day trade left. Should I save it? Or should I go for the kill? And see if I can get that perfect. See if I can get that perfect bounce. But we are at that halfway mark of 600. So that's good. See if we can refresh this. This ain't BBIG got halted too. But that was earlier. But why is BBIG getting halted? So we did so far have taken 2 trades. 2 trades so far. Both small dubs, $8 so far on the day. Nothing too crazy. Only trading with 500. I'm trying to see. Maybe what can I get a bounce on? What did this come down to? 650. Look, still that downtrend still holding up. Trying to get above that downtrend. A VWAP bounce? Looks like it hasn't held any bounces from the VWAP really. So I'm not even gonna look for that. 28.97. Around these areas. Seeing rejection for sure. I'm not too certain. I'm not too certain if I should take this last trade either. Just because it's like, I got other things I need to do too. Nice to see that support still hold up. We got 1 day trade left. Trying to see if I should use it. This is tough. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna have to end it here. I got other things I gotta do. Yeah, I got other things I gotta do. Dang, I don't want to though. I want to take this last trade, but it's like, ooh, 228,000 shares he was just buying. 240,700 shares. That person's buying 240,700 shares. That's a lot. And it's getting that push back up. I'm not gonna lie. And he's real. He's getting filled. He's getting filled. He's getting touched. He's real. So he's holding that as support right now. Trying to get back above that 33-cent area. Ooh, but I don't know if I should go or should I stay. This is tough. I'm just so confused on what to do. See what this is talking about. Alright, you guys, I am having to go. I am gonna probably have to get ready to do some other things. You know, the money don't stop, so we gotta get it by any means. But we did take 2 trades today. Made $8 on both the trades combined, so we are at the halfway mark of 600, which I'm really happy about. You know what I'm saying? Hoping to see 600 soon. But with that being said, I'm gonna have to end the stream here. You know, we will be back on again soon enough, you know, whenever we get the time. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch me. If you did, you know, appreciate it. Follow, like, whatever you want to do. And to the next stream, we gonna keep going crazy, no cap. We got to minus, what, 446. And to the next stream, we gonna keep